Good boy. Good boy, Tuffy. Good boy. Like the food. Loves to eat chicken. He is a happy boy. He is a happy boy. He is Tuffy. I can touch his ball. I can feed him. I can remove it. He likes me more than chicken. Lily. This is Lily. Sweet, cute girl, Lily. Even she likes chicken too much. See, I can touch her, I can feed her, I can take her ball even. She loves. Eat, beta. That's the love of a dog. If you feed them daily, food doesn't matter to them. They are aggressive dogs. However, both eats together. And then they don't fight for foods. They don't fight for food. Good girl, Lily. Eat. Tuffy eats almost 800 grams. And she eats 700 grams. 100 grams less when compared. Tuffy eats quickly, he is almost done. And Lily is a slow eater. She roams around, eats sometime, eats slowly. And Tuffy, once he finishes food, he will come straight away running to me. Yeah, here you go. Good boy. Good boy, beta, good boy. Ja, go eat. Go. See, he came to say thank you for the food. Thanks for the food. Huh, beta? Shush. 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 Thank you for the food. His muscles, muscular guy. Go, beta. Go. Eat. Go drink water. Drink water. Good boy. Good boy. He is an obedient boy. Aren't you? You need a selfie.